Hello everyone, Zakilaz here, and today we're gonna review some 2008 canister from the second wave, of course, the Mystica wave, that's that. So, we're gonna review Gali today, so the female Toa of the group, of course. So, of course, they are the old school Toa we all know from 2001, but of course, their design have changed. So anyway, here's the canister. So it's a classic canister with just a lid and then the bottom part which folds the piece and stuff like that, which, where you put the piece and stuff like that. Yes, that's what I want to mean. So what is interesting with this canister is the fact that the lid is in fact the Ignica, so the mask of life, as you can clearly see, and it's got two sides. So one a clear side, as you can clearly see, with smooth surface, and the other side is all full of scrapes, is badly damaged in some bad shapes, as you can clearly see. So is the side where you're gonna have the Makuta, because yeah, the Makuta, their front pictures are in there, but on the Toa, the front pictures is there with the good side. So of course it's in blue because it's one of the main color of Gali, yeah, of course. So yeah. For the front picture itself, you got some border white ears. It's hidden by the weapon, but of course this symbol right there is the same as this one, so which represents the form of an body, I can say so. Bionic Heart or Gali, white and ears. Then of course the background change on every canister, but it's still the same because it represents the swamp white ears and also the stone back there, but on every canister, just the shape of the swamps and the rock right there change, in fact, but so it's kind of nice. The Mystica logo, Gali itself, and on the side, Bionica white and ears, the rock right there, and here you can also find the six pictures. These pictures, of course, of the face of the different Toas and Makuta released this year, because remember, in this wave of 2008, yeah, Lego released 3 Toa and also 3 Makuta. So yeah, we have the two sides the same wave, which was kind of a nice idea, in my opinion. Then it shows you the little gimmick you can make with one Mato one. Of course, this time it's Tanma and Gali, so you can link them together. So it's since the first wave, and of course, because there are no 12 Matawan per year, we gotta have to use this one, or you can knock your own blue Matawan, for example, which can be also nice. The new projectile, which is a Ninwa Ghost Blaster, we're gonna talk about this later, and also the fact you can put Gali in the canisters, and also the barcode, and it just missed the J, and because it just wasn't Ali, so yeah, maybe Gali, do not know, yeah, maybe it's not that. So anyway, that's all for the canister, so quite nice because of the lid. And I especially like also all the blue shade and stuff like that of the 2008 Iwa. Yeah, so yeah, the canister is not really it's not really interesting because yeah, you got the part list, of course, and you got also this stuff will show you what I've already been shown on the which has already been shown on the back of the canister, so in fact it's really nothing new. You have really to buy a quicker to have the group pictures in the instruction booklet, because if not, there are no group pictures in this instruction booklet. Like, I do not know for Goras, but in the 4 Zogai, which not include Quick Eye, they are not, it didn't have yet the instruction, the group pictures at the end, so it's kind of, just, yeah, and I do not know if there were some combiner on the second wave of canister. Seriously, I do not know. Maybe some on Brickmaster magazine, but I do not know. So yeah, we're gonna begin the set review of the set itself. So of course the color scheme this time is mainly silver, so like all the other Toa. Even if Onua they don't really have tons of silver, but still you still have some parts in silver. And this time, so yeah, Gali is more like Tayu because she just got 2 colors, the silver color and then the dark blue. Dark blue, yeah. So Metro blue, call it what you want. So we're gonna begin with some classical Metro pelvis, then we're gonna have some double long connector in blue. I do not know if this is a recolor or not. I do not know yet. Maybe it was because in Ali Inika and in Ali Maui it was lime green and also white, so maybe it's a new color, I do not know. Kind of nice, still. Then you have some Inika tight armor, so in silver, it was already released in Vison and Fenwak. And then you have some nice recolored parts, so of course the Inika leg in silver. You may know that with Onua you got some Wakshi leg in silver, and with Tayu you got some Piwaka leg in silver, and this time it's some Inika leg, which will also be used as arms on Gali, so kind of nice. The feet are silver, so nothing really new because there are some Metro Fit, and we already tons of them in silver colors. Even if it's some new silver, I think they were already released in 2006 or 2007. And then some new reactor, if I can say so. I'm gonna search the word because if I just say something which is totally wrong, I'm gonna look like anyway. Just let me find this. Okay. Oh yeah, oh no, it's more like a jet engine. Okay, I say reactor, but it's more for nuclear thing. Yeah, and I've already said that in my review, so it's kind of weird. So anyway, it's more like a jet engine. Yeah. Yeah, because of course it can fly. So here it is. So it's in silver. It was released also in silver in TAU 4 times, and also in Onua in a normal weight. Kind of nice on the feet. It kind of look nice because we can clearly imagine just is flying simply with the jet reactor right here. No, not jet reactor, but it's yeah, anyway. We're gonna talk about the upper part of the body right now. So yeah, make part of the projectile first. So here it is. You can see it's an Piraka frame, but in reverse way because of course this is supposed to be the front of the part because of the Piraka, but this time it's used as back. And on the back also you can find the Inika shoulder armor, yes, to put of course the Matawan on it. I'm not gonna do it for this review, so you just have to check my Matawan on my first canister review, or the first wave of 2008 canister review anyway. And here you're gonna use this part later to put the head, which is kind of new and interesting in comparison to TAU, because in fact it's really like TAU because it uses the same exact frame which was already used 3 times in 2007. So it's like the 5th time we're gonna see this frame. So yeah, no, do not know, maybe they should have improved this, but no. Apart from the head, which is gonna put on this part, it's not really interesting. And then we're gonna talk about the arms itself. So of course you're gonna find again a new double long connectors, and which is kind of nice is that we got a new shoulder armor, really special. And because of the shape of this piece, I think it can be reused on other use than just some shoulder armor. Because also it got some hole right there, so I think you can put this in the other way. So yeah, it can really be used, for example, on some body frame or stuff like that. So yeah, kind of new interesting parts, just because of the design, I think, because it's okay as a shoulder armor, but I think it can be used on some better, it can be of better use on some other body parts. So anyway, the arms are pretty the same. So this time it's not like TAU, the hands and also the connectors on the feet are blue, dark blue, and not black. It's not black, yeah. So we're gonna add the head maybe. So here it is. Of course, you got the brain eye combo part. This one, which is used widely on all towards in 2008. And then we're gonna have the mask. So of course, it does not look like the whole of Gali, but blah blah blah. We don't really care. Yes, I know that some people care, but not really me, so I think it's all up to you. And I'm just here to talk about the set and not talk about the similarities between the different characters from like 7 years old. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk about the similarities because they are not. So also the mask can be kind of awkward because yeah, also when you have some because now we know that the blue are generally female characters. We tend to look like to look if it's really. I just want to put this part off. Excuse me. Yeah, we may want to see if this looks like a woman or stuff like that, of a female. But in fact, if you look at the mask, it does not really look like a female. In fact, it's more look like a Piraka from the shape of the head, and also this kind of strange atypical eyes right here. Also, yes, it's asymmetrical, so it's kind of nice. So yeah, it's not really a female, but it really depends because in 2001, tons of people really don't know that Gali was a female at all, and many people who said that Gali Nuva looked like a female are kind of wrong because I think this is because they have seen the movie before, and yeah, of course, in the movie they really do a nice treatment because they really make her really a female in comparison to the toy itself. I think for me, the only really female mask we got are maybe the Nokama Metru and Ardika one, and also the the Maui one, but even the Maui was used on a mare, so anyway, so yeah. But the mask itself is pretty nice. So yeah, so this is the only drawback I have for the mask, because I don't really care if it's a female or not, is this big pinhole right there, because yeah, you're supposed to put these 2 new wings shapes, so this time it's in silver colors. It was released before in blue, no, in red, it says in normal red, in dark red, in Tahu and Onua. But this time it's come in silver, so it's kind of nice, but as you can see, you have to put this like that. But when you want to mock with this mask, so you put the wings off, you will find some big holes, so it's kind of weird, seriously. They may have found another solution to put the wings on it, I do not know. So so you have in fact to put some stuff in there when you mock with this mask, I think. For example, Shadow doing that with some of his mock. And it's what look nice, but it's kind of weird, I think. So I don't really like this aspect of the set. But with wings, it really look great. And also the fact that it's an asymmetrical mask. And I think that's quite all for this mask, yes, or this canary. So yeah, of course, yeah, you're supposed to put the axle right here. Because you can see it's just an axle also. I do not know why they do that. When I put the mask on it. Excuse me. Yeah, then we're gonna talk about the new Ninwa Ghostbuster, which you can see is made of 2 parts, so the silver part right there, and also the air pump part, which is in a clear smoke color, if I can say so. It's the same color on every toa, but on Makuta it's just some red. And also the Ninwa themselves, which are made of soft plastic right here, which are in dark metal, and on Makuta it's some lime green. So yes, excuse me. Yeah, actually for that, but you know, it's not like I am. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, as you can see, you have, in fact, yeah, it's the only weapon that Gali got, so it's like Oniwa and like Kopaka for the first wave. So of course it got an add-on, and this time the add-on is a big sight, as you can clearly see. Really a big one, and it's kind of like really a toy in my opinion, but anyway, it's a toy, so yeah, but in fact it really looks like she's using a toy in the real life of Bionicle, if I can say so, in the canon story. And yeah, you got some also some laser sight right here. And you're supposed to put this on one of the different axle hole, and of course how it works, you press this pump right there, and it works perfectly. And you have one spare here. And yeah, that's quite nice. So I think that's quite all. We're gonna then add the 2 parts together, so it's like exactly Tahu. So we're not gonna put some armor right there, it's like Tahu, so yeah, nothing. And then put the weapon with 2 ends, like that. And that's all. She kind of look nice, taking her guns with the 2, in this position especially. It's really like, yeah, she's oh, excuse me for the wings, which goes in a kind of weird way. So I think that's all for the little turnaround. So yeah, we're going to talk about the application. So of course, if it's not linked, this part can block at this point because of this shoulder armor, but can do, of course, all the movement. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So that's perfect. That's not a 90-degree stop. This time it's really all the way up, so that's really cool. Also, yeah, you have the head which can look down, not look up, of course, because of this part, or not that much. It can still look a little down, up, and on the side also. And yeah, of course, when you link the 2 ends of the weapon, it's dependent from each other. So you can still do some pose like that, but it's still kind of hard to make some other pose. You can see it's kind of blocked easily on the side. And then for the legs, so it's all got all the way up. So you can really do nice pose when you put, as you can clearly see. On Articulation, she's really one of the best, so I think. It's really better than Onua. And I think that's quite awesome. I'm just gonna do a little pause of the set. Yeah, I like to do them. Oh yeah, with the eyes like that, but I think you can see that well, so I'm gonna do just a more like a pose like that. So yeah, what to say on Gali, the new Gali, so from 2008, of course. The drawback first, yeah. The drawback is that she used the same frame for the 5th time. So of course, yeah, I bought it in the last 2008 canister I bought or built. So anyway, that's maybe why it's the 5th time. But yeah, it was also used 3 times in 2007. So yeah, it's the same frame as the Tahu. In fact, it's really kind of a clone of Tahu in some ways because it uses the kind of same repartition of the colors, you can see, and also used kind of the same part, but that's not really a problem. But it's also used the same frame apart from the neck part. So yeah, it's not really that original at all, and also it uses also some aspect from Onua because of the weapon, which can be all with just 2 arms. But this time the add-on, I think, it's kind of weird because it's just a side, so it can be useful for mocks. I'm not saying, but it's just that. So seriously, it's kind of a drawback for me. I think that yeah, they should have put some weapon on Gali, seriously. And I think the only drawback I have also, yeah, some people can complain on the fact that the mask doesn't look feminine or stuff like that. Not really a problem for me. But still kind of a weird, and for me the only complaint I have with the mask is the fact that it has 2 big pinhole right there to put the wings, so when you want to mock with that, of course it's kind of hard. But of course I do not think that the designer really think of the mockers when they do the new sets. Maybe they think of a little, but not really that much, because I think they don't really want to be forced to change their design just because of the mockers or those who want to make some creation with the parts. So anyway, yeah, and also the parts pack is not the parts pack is 50-50, I think. We got some nice parts, like of course the new arms, this new really interesting shoulder armor, which I think were just used on this set. Maybe on some Titan set, but I do not own the Titan, but yet maybe it was used on some Titan set. But apart from that, yeah, it has some this new 2008 parts, the wings right there, the jet stuff like that, because I don't remember the name, and also maybe the double long connector. But of course also it has got some parts like this one or this one, which were also seen before. But yeah, I'm talking about that, but yeah, in fact, yeah, I think it got still more like 60-40 interesting parts. So yeah, it's kind of a good deal of parts. So excuse me, it's not really a cons, more like a pros. And yeah, for the pro also, you also got the articulation. It's really well articulated. It's the more articulated, it's the most articulated set in 2008, I think. I do not own Goas, but I think it's one of the most with Beetle. And on the toe, it's one of the best. And the color scheme is pretty nice because I think the dark blue and the silver go well together, but that cannot be a drawback, of course, for some people who don't like silver that much. And I think that's quite also still. So yeah, nice new parts. Nice color scheme for me, nice articulations, and nothing to talk about. But on the other side, it's more like a crossover between Onua for the add-on weapon and also Tahu for the same body frame. Oh, excuse me. And it's not that original. It's not that unique at all. So yeah, it's kind of it's have its pros, but it also has some drawbacks, so that are kind of serious for some people. So yeah, if you look on some original tower, pass your way because it's not really an interesting tower for that. But if you look at some nice classic tower with some interesting part, not really hard to build and stuff else, it's maybe a good tower. But in comparison to Tahu, it have less parts, in fact, and the building is more generic than Tahu, I think. So I think it's all up to you. Seriously, I prefer Tahu and Onua, but I think that Gali has also own pros, like the new parts introduced, like this one and stuff like that. So yeah, it can still be nice, in fact, to have the Twitter because they all add some stuff. But for those who do not have that tons of money, I will more consider to buy Tahu or Onua. Yeah, so that's quite all. Gali is not that bad, but it's not that great anyway. So yeah. That will be all on my review on Gali. I hope you enjoy it. I hope also you have made your own opinion on this set. And I think that will all for this review. So yeah, see you later for another Benny Capital review. Bye.